guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. Sorry it's a little noisy here, got a bunch of guys. Wanted to talk to you today about how to splice a little tap wire inside of the panel, just a little feeder. This was done in the past. You can see it's an old school butt splice. I'm not even sure where you get them that size, but that became the weakest link as they tried to extend. And what's on it downstairs is a 29-gallon 4,500 watt 2-foot sized water tank, a hot water tank, so for electric. But basically what we did is right here, we just came in here and this is number 6 gauge aluminum to a number 6 gauge copper, and that's going to be adequate in size, and we splice tapped up here. The other issue we had is that they deoxed the breaker, and you're not supposed to deox the breaker, and that caused a lot of resistance as well. Now right now that guy's finally running this hot water heater. We're at about 18 amps down to 15, so it's finally starting to fill. It's a 4,500 watt, but the other problem they have down in the crawl space, they've got a little panel that is 50 amps to a cabin and then 30 amps for the hot water heater. So we're really able to draw close to 80 amps in the crawl space, but only 50 here. So in the future, if we get some electric heat out there, we're only going to want to do 30 amps max. And then when you size that cabin, which is fairly small, it's probably 400 square foot, we're going to want to do about 250 watts a foot on the baseboard heat and not max out more than 30 amps and change that breaker downstairs. So we just don't want anything to melt again, but the weakest link definitely was here. And some of you guys that follow me on YouTube, I didn't wire this, I'm just repairing this correctly. But I would use a Polaris Ilsco lug. They're either Polaris or Ilsco, but they're rated up to a number 4 copper aluminum, and they have inside of there, you guys have seen my other videos, but they have inside of there that that goop, if you will, that'll actually allow the aluminum copper to be dissimilar in that. Anyways guys, thanks for joining us. Have a good day.